Hey guys, welcome back. So finally the great leaks regarding the next Samsung's flagship device have already started, where the S22 Ultra got huge success in sales and many people are enjoying their S22 series this time. However, next year Samsung is expected to change some plans. Looks like we may see the S23 series to run on new Dimensity CPUs. Now before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So as we all know that the S22 series is doing pretty well in terms of sales, where Samsung was already confident about this success. But again, the only issue is the Exynos variants. People are complaining about the performance and thermal issues, where the overall experience is below average. Although the Snapdragon models are doing pretty well in comparison to Exynos devices and the performance is very stable. So again, the Exynos CPUs aren't performing well for Samsung, and this is why the company might shift to Dimensity CPUs for the next upcoming Galaxy S23 series. According to a recent report, the Galaxy S22 Fan Edition will be the first flagship phone by Samsung, which will bring a Mediatek Dimensity 9000 chipset. This device is likely to be announced in the second half of this year, followed by the Galaxy S23 series as well. Once again, not all of the units will be featuring Mediatek CPUs, as only about half of the Galaxy S22 Fan Edition and Galaxy S23 phones are expected to use them. Now the Mediatek is giving strong competition to other CPU manufacturers like Qualcomm and Exynos, where the Dimensity 9000 is a stable CPU and has low thermals, where the shocking part is the multi-core performance is also very close to Apple's A15 CPU. Mediatek is growing pretty fast and the market share is going up for the mid-range CPUs in countries like US, and it'll not take time to capture the high-end CPU market as well. And this is why Qualcomm is feeling heat and quickly started working on the next-gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus CPU, which will be coming with the Z Fold 4 series later this year. However, using the Dimensity CPUs doesn't mean that Samsung is done with the Exynos. Company CEO says that they will continue to develop a dedicated custom CPU just for the flagship devices. This means previously Exynos chips were made by targeting other smartphone manufacturers as well, but now Samsung will only focus on the S23 series to develop this chipset. Just like Apple makes CPUs for its own iPads and iPhones. And obviously on paper, this strategy seems very good, but at the moment we should hold our expectations. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you enjoy watching this video then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.